Sound by sound blending, ending blends. Once we know our letters and sounds, we are ready to take the next step in learning to read. Blending sounds is when we put the sounds we know together to read. We will work to put sounds together by saying them sound by sound and blending as we go to help make blending easier. Blending can be tricky, so we will do it sound by sound. Listen to me say wind sound by sound. W, I, wi, n, wind, wind. If I'm getting mixed up with blends, this is a really helpful way to blend words to start with. Let's do some together. N, a, na, s, nest, nest, nest. A, ha, oh, help, help, help. B, a, ba, s, best, best, best. J, ja, jump, jump, jump. B, a, ba, o, belt, belt, belt. G, ga, o, golf, golf, golf. P, pa, n, pond, pond. Great. Now you do a few by yourself. Mask, gift, shelf, milk, hand, tent. You did great putting those sounds together to say words. Let's see how we might do this with our writing. If I wanted to write quilt, I would say it slow and hear each sound as I go. So quilt, qua, Q-U, qua, I. There's an I, quill. Oh, and an L, quilt, and a T, quilt. Let's do lamp. So I'm going to say it really slowly, sound by sound. Oh, there's an L, la, a, lamb. There's an M, lamp, and a P, lamp. Wow, great work with tricky ending blends. Check out links below for more videos.